G'day guys, Darcy Cameron here, and today I'm going to show you how to train like a ruck. Loosen up my hips, glutes, really just to take the load off my back. I've had some back issues previously, but Brash has taken really good care of me over the years, so he just prepares me to go out there and try my best. A lot of the boys up here doing this one before they head out. This is our motor control stuff that Sarah runs. This drill that I'm doing here gets my glutes working, gets my core working, ready to jump into some big boys outside. Make sure you film so in touch with you. In touch. During touch.
I should get on film.
So now that's my treatment and motor control done. Head downstairs now, do some touch, feel good before we head out for training.
Take the ball. Find that out. Yeah! Oh my God! What a Hey, nice and sharp. Just getting going at the end. Yeah. That's not a good one for you. It's got to be close. It's got to be close. Stay in, Chaz. Don't lose. Stay in. Big man in front. Good, Darcy. Oh! Hey! Started off training with a few fundamentals, and then just went into some, what we do there, some line fundamentals. So stopping stuff, a bit of pressure, repeat efforts, a few ruck stoppages against Big Roo. It's good to really test me out. He was quick with his feet, young pup. Darcy, you want anything to say? Mate, you're bleeding.
Yeah, mate, working hard.
At the moment, it looks like Pez has just hit new PB.
behaviours or how we're going to get those exploited players.
Ball up, like we got some pretty. Darcy, you get it, put it on the ground. You run your position.
Good to go? Right, let's go. Let's go.
You got desperation in here, like the boys. You hear that they got space. And you change your kick there.
100%.
Just being able to, start in front, start behind. I probably haven't been the strongest ruckman out there, but I feel like you can, sometimes outsmart them in a ruck battle, where you use them momentum against them. You stiff arm, little things that I like to do. Being able to run out games. Your mids are very happy to have a ruckman in the last quarter that can, put it down their throat, or just stand in the hole, whether it's in D50, bring that ball to ground, just the little things like that. Because you see it can cost you the game if you don't have someone there to represent. And then do some ruck stuff with our ruck and mid craft with Boydie and Skip, just focusing on what the other team's strengths are, what our strengths are, how we can how we can beat them and how we can nullify what they're good at.
Physical.
Beauty about Darcy is he acts like a coach as well, out there with our younger rucks. So been really beneficial to have his guidance and his leadership with those younger rucks, and the consistency of the way we train our ruck craft's been really important for all of them.
Taught me a lot, especially in the ruck craft department, how to use my body, how to focus on using my advantages, what that is when I'm going up against a different opponent each week. So just finding that out and then using my craft and developing my craft has been a huge help.
That's all for main training. Been out here for 2 hours now, just to finish off with a bit of ruck craft, a bit of aerial. Heading inside now, shower up, have some lunch, and then into some weights, treatment, and then a team meeting to finish off the day.
Check your program for some alterations, but status quo on this. Off we go, power.
A lot of the stuff that you see all the lads doing here in the gym today is all power stuff, so staying light and probably for game day. A little bit different to what we do in pre-season, where we're trying to put on strength and size. Now it's about getting powerful, so we're nice and explosive on game day. So that's just Ruck Up Gym, about to head into our line meetings downstairs, cover the mid stuff, and then we'll go into a team meeting, find out the team and plan for the game.
Tell the guy next to you what you liked about training today. Okay. What did you boys talk about?
Yeah, we just said it was good to get a bit out of a lot of stoppage stuff.
DC?
Thought everyone trained really well in the match team.
Mentality as we always have. Go represent ourselves really strongly. Act like winners. Appreciate what we got while we have it. Let's enjoy the weekend.
So that's a wrap for the day. Got main training out, treatment, had some lunch, and then did weights in the afternoon. Had a couple more meetings. And I finished off with a team meeting and announced the team, and now it's time to head home.